Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore TikTok marketing with Pentos. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring TikTok marketing with Pentos, first, create an account on the Pentos website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the key features offered by Pentos. Begin by connecting your TikTok account to Pentos for seamless integration. Authorize Pentos to access your TikTok analytics and data. Once connected, explore the analytics section to understand your audience demographics. Analyze engagement metrics to identify trends and patterns in your content. Utilize the competitor analysis tool to compare your performance against similar TikTok creators. Identify successful strategies used by competitors that you can adapt for your brand. Focus on the trending hashtags and sounds identified in the Pentos analytics tool. Create fresh content that aligns with current trends while maintaining your brand voice. Schedule your posts using Pentos's content calendar feature to ensure consistent posting. Experiment with different content formats such as challenges, duets, and tutorials. Monitor the performance of each new post using Pentos's real-time analytics. Adjust your strategy based on which types of content generate the most engagement. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Leverage Pentos's reporting tools to generate insights on your marketing performance. Use these insights to refine your approach and improve future content. Regularly revisit the analytics dashboard to stay updated on changing trends. Continue to iterate on your content strategy based on ongoing data analysis. By following this guide, you will effectively enhance your TikTok marketing efforts using Pentos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.